Okay, so this one we need SPS2. So let's get the power going on this guy. What is this? Oh, that's a beefy ground. I like it. I like it. Okay. SPS. Oh, we got an update. Lovely. Okay, well, I'll be back once this thing's done updating. Okay, we should be close now. I got it in the slot. We want that key count to go up. Okay, it went up. Let's verify. All right, cool. Just gotta finish this puppy up, and I will show the results. All right. So, before keys here. All right. Cool. On to the next one. The remotes do work. Well, they work in spirit. Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh yeah, look at that. The more you know.